To change wallpaper on the Samsung Galaxy A57, first of all you have to click and hold empty space on your home screen, and now go to the wallpaper and style in the left bottom corner. And I'm going to show you all of those methods. So what you can do here, you can set separate wallpaper for your lock screen, but also for your home screen. So let's say I want to change my home screen wallpaper only, so I have to tap on it, and in the next screen I have to click on this button in the left upper corner. Just click on it. Now it will be redirected into the another screen. There we go. And here we can find all the default applications, all the default wallpapers. So for example, if I want to get this graphical, I have to tap on it. It will be downloaded. And of course, I can just set this up. By clicking on this one more time, I can get the preview, how it looks, and I have to click done to get this wallpaper. But that's not everything, because you can also set custom photo on your wallpaper by going into your gallery. You can select any item that you have on your screen, wait for that loading screen. Now as you can see, we can also click done. But if you want to get some different wallpapers, you can also get them by simply going into the themes, and you can download wallpapers completely for free. So go here, now go for the wallpapers, then click here, and now to get free, you have to tap on it and right now pick any wallpaper that you like. For example, this one, click on it once, click download, and it will be here. You will have to click apply, select your screens that you want to apply this, click apply, click done, wait a little bit, and as you can see, wallpaper has changed.